Hello everyone, this is the Honor 8X and we will do the unboxing. As you all guys can see, this is 128 GB of internal storage with 4 GB of RAM, and this phone can handle 2 SIM cards with a micro SD card at the same time. Let's power up the phone and let's see what's inside the box. As you all guys can see, this is the case which company gave us with the phone and a SIM ejector tool. This phone is about $215, and this is the micro USB cable, not the Type C. I wish that it was the Type C, but it didn't. And this is the charger, not fast charging. And this is the headphone. I think it's a good headphone for the price. And this is the phone, guys. Can see this screen is really huge. It's 6.5 inch, just like the iPhone XS Max. And this is about the phone. HiSilicon Kirin 710 with 4 GB of RAM with 128 GB of total storage, and the back camera is 20 megapixel with 2 megapixel for aperture photo, and the front camera is 16 megapixel with some sensors, as you all guys can see. And this is the camera of the phone. Let's just see it. You can see, guys. It can focus. Yes, it's good for near focusing. So guys, this was a quick unboxing of the Honor 8X. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you like it. And next video we will try to do some speed test with other phones and this phone, and let's see if it's a good phone or not, and we will show you the best out of it.